Hi everyone, my name is Akurede Adenike. In the tutorial today, I would like to teach you how to cover your bra cup with fabric in a very simple method. Here is the bra cup I'm making use of. I have 38 inches size of bra cup here. I'm making use of my doll face satin fabric to cover my cup, and this is the masking tape for me to create the pattern for my cover. So let's begin. Now I'm going to start by gumming my masking tape on the right side of my cup to create the pattern for my bra cup cover. Just watch me as I'm doing it and make sure you leave excess at the edges of your bra cup. Continue gumming the masking tape till you cover all the right side of the cup. And make sure you leave excess at the edges of the bra cup, please. Now I'm done with it, as you can see. So I'll just remove it easily and turn it to the wrong side and trace my cup out just like this. After tracing my cup out on the wrong side of the masking tape, I'm going to find the middle point of my bra cup on the upper part and on the down part. So I'm going to connect the 2 points together. After connecting the 2 points together, I'm going to remove my masking tape easily. Just be careful while removing it from the bra cup. After removing the masking tape from the bra cup, I'm going to cut the excess out for me to shape my pattern. After shaping my pattern out, I'm going to split the cup into two, just like this. I'm splitting it into two, as you can see. And after that, I'm going to fold my fabric into two, place my pattern on it and cut it out. If you're a beginner, make sure you always pin down your pattern to the fabric before cutting out to avoid unnecessary stress. I'm doing the same thing on the second part of the cup. Just watch me as I'm doing it. I'm done cutting, as you can see. I'm going to label my cup and the fabric. I'm doing the same thing on the fabric. I'm going to label them. So I have 2 pieces of A and 2 pieces of B, as you can see. So I'm removing my masking tape easily. So after that, I'm going to pick it like this, place it on each other, let the right side face each other and stitch with 1/2 inch. Just follow the shape. I'm done stitching, as you can see. I'll go ahead and notch and give it a good press. Open the seam just like this and give it a good press. I'm doing the same thing on the second part of it. Now I'm done with the notching and the ironing with the help of my breast ball. I have a video on how to make it. I'm going to drop the link in the box below. As you can see now, it's very neat and beautiful on the inside and the outside. So I'll go ahead and place it on my cup to show you how it's going to look like. Look how neat and beautiful it is. It is perfect already. So to fix my cover to the cup now, I'm going to place these on the wrong side. Let the wrong side of the fabric face the wrong side of the cup, just like this, and make sure the seam is aligned with the center. For me to create the center on my cup, I'm going to fold it into two like this and dot it out on the upper part and on the down part. So I'm placing my fabric on it. Let the wrong side of the fabric face the wrong side of the cup, please, and let the seam align with the dot. Just like this, and pin it down. Make sure you leave 1/2 inch seam allowance all around the cup while placing your cover, please. Going to pin it down like this. Leave the ½ inch, like I said, all around the curve. And on the down part, let the seam align with the dots and pin it down. So this one now stands as my lining, while the second one stands as my main fabric. So I'm going to take this one now, which is the main fabric, place it like this, let the right side face each other and let the seam align on each other before pinning it down. After pinning, I'm going to turn it like this. I'm turning it like this for me to give it a tiny stitch on the back up. I'm going to give it a tiny stitch from here to here. Just make sure you leave ½ inch all around the curve. I'm done stitching. As you can see, I'm going to trim out the excess. Just be careful while trimming it out, please, to avoid unnecessary stress. I'm done trimming. As you can see, I'm going to open it up like this and drag it to meet up with the cup, with the bottom of the cup on the right side, and make sure the seam is aligned on each other before pinning and stitch in place. So after pinning, I'm going to top stitch just like this from here to the second side, and make sure you top stitch on the cup. Now I'm done top stitching. As you can see, look, it's on the inside and on the outside, very beautiful and neat. So I'll go ahead and trim the excess. Just be careful while trimming it, please, to avoid unnecessary stress. Having done that, this is what I have. Look how neat and beautiful it is. If you find my tutorial helpful, guys, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel to support my channel. If you have any question pertaining to cutting and sewing, you can join me on my Facebook group, Details to Sewing, created by Akorede Adenike. I'm on Twitter and Instagram at Akorede Adenike. Please show some love by liking and following my page on Facebook at Akorede Adenike Sewing Tutorial. Till I see you in my next video, guys. Stay safe, stay blessed. Bye.